I'm sure आप सब नान खटाई को इतना ही पसंद करते हैं जितना मैं करती हूँ. But do you know how the Naan Khatai came to be? 16th century में सूरत में बहुत डच लोग रहते थे. And they had their own colony, their markets and their own bakery. एक टाइम ऐसा आया when the Dutch fled सूरत और अपनी बेकरी को ईरानी आदमी को दे दिया. Indians को कुछ पसंद ही नहीं आता था उस बेकरी में. The Iranian man once sold some dried bread to a few people, which was Naan Khatai. And that's how it became so popular. So today we're going to make a Desi Videsi version of that famous Naan Khatai. In a nice clean bowl, you need some flour, powdered sugar, and some semolina or sooji, a little bit of baking powder, powdered cardamom, a pinch of salt, and then of course butter. Mix all these ingredients up. So Naan Khatais were made in my house every Christmas. The whitest Naan Khatais were the ones that told you how well the baker actually knew how to make Naan Khatais. But today, we're giving it a little Videsi twist. And what we're going to be doing is adding a little caramel syrup to our Naan Khatai. So we're going to add that extra caramel flavor. And that's about it. And now just mix this in. And as you see, it all slowly comes together. The next step is really simple. All you have to do is make tiny little molds of it and press it into our baking tray and bake it. In this, I'm going to put a little of the dough into my hands. And now all I do is just ever so slightly press into it. And that's it. So what is going to happen with this is that it is going to spread out a bit, and then we're going to do something which is a little bit of a twist. So as you see, this is now done and it's ready to go into our preheated oven, 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. And the Naan Khatais are done. So here it is. This is what happens when we add caramel flavored syrup. It kind of flattens out a bit, which is why we dented them so that now we can do some more yummy stuff to them. So we're going to be pouring in a little caramel flavored syrup into the centers of these Naan Khatais. And now we're going to add a little salted pista as garnish. So what you have is a lovely, salty, sweet, caramel, crunchy Naan Khatai. So you take a look at our recap and come right back.
Desi Videsi Naan Katai. In a clean bowl, add 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 gram powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon sooji, quarter teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon cardamom powder, salt to taste, 150 grams of butter, 100 ml caramel flavored syrup. Mix it all together until it forms a dough. Now roll the dough between the palms of your hands and place it on a baking tray. Use your thumb to press the Naan Khatai. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Add some caramel flavored syrup and salted pistas as garnish. Your Desi Videsi Naan Katai is ready. Enjoy!